Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Today our topic is ढाई अक्षर letter writing on Digital India for New India. To Chief Postmaster, friends, यहाँ पे आप जहाँ से भी लिख रहे हो एड्रेस यहाँ पे आप वो डाल सकते हैं. Dear Sir, Madam, I hope this letter finds you in good health and high spirit. I am writing to you today to delve into a topic of paramount importance, one that resonates with every Indian citizen, Digital India for a New India. In this digital age where information technology and connectivity plays a pivotal role in shaping societies and economies, India's journey towards becoming a digitally empowered nation is nothing short of extraordinary. This letter aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the Digital India initiative, its objective, achievements, challenges, and the path forward. With a word limit of 1000 words, I will attempt to encapsulate the essence of this transformative journey. Digital India Initiative. An introduction. The Digital India Initiative, launched by the Government of India in 2015 under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is a visionary program aimed at harnessing the power of information technology to transform India into a knowledge based economy. It envisions a digitally connected India where every citizen has access to the internet, government services are made accessible online, and technology services as an enabler for inclusive growth. Key objective of Digital India: broadband for all. One of the primary objectives of Digital India is to ensure high-speed broadband connectivity to all parts of the country, including remote and rural areas. This is essential for bridging the digital divide and enabling access to online education, healthcare, and government services. Digital infrastructure. The initiative focuses on building a robust digital infrastructure, including the establishment of Common Service Centers (CSCs) in rural area, National Knowledge Network (NKN), and National Optical Fiber Network (NOFN) to facilitate internet access. E-governance. Digital India aims to make government service accessible to citizens online, reducing paperwork and corruption while enhancing transparency and efficiency. Initiatives like Digital Locker and e-sign are significant steps in this direction. Digital literacy. Promoting digital literacy is a crucial aspect of Digital India. The government has launched programs like Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan (PMG Disha) to empower citizens with digital skills. Make in India in electronics. Encouraging domestic manufacturing of electronics and IT hardware is another key objective. This not only reduces import dependency but also promotes job creating in the country. Universal access to mobile connectivity. The initiative seeks to ensure that every citizen has access to mobile connectivity, enabling them to participate in the digital economy. Achievements of Digital India. Since its inspection, the Digital India initiative has made significant strides in achieving its objective. Broadband connectivity. The BharatNet project has connected over 150,000 gram panchayats with high-speed broadband internet. E-governance. Services like Aadhaar, Digital Locker, and e-sign have streamlined government processes, making them more efficient and transparent. Digital literacy. PMG Disha has trained millions of individuals, particularly in rural area, in digital skills. Make in India. The production of electronics in India has seen substantial growth contributing to the Make in India campaign. Mobile connectivity. India has witnessed remarkable growth in mobile phone penetration, reaching even remote areas. Startup ecosystem. The Digital India initiative has given a boost to the startup ecosystem with numerous technology driven startups emerging in the country. Challenges and road ahead. While the Digital India initiative has achieved notable success, it faces several challenges. Digital divide. Despite progress, the digital divide still exists, with disparities in internet access and digital literacy between urban and rural areas. Cybersecurity. The increasing digitalization of services also poses cybersecurity challenges requiring continuous effort to safeguard sensitive data. Privacy concern. Ensuring the privacy and security of citizen data is crucial in the digital age. Digital education. The COVID 19 pandemic highlighted the need for robust digital education infrastructure, which remains a work in progress. Last mile connectivity. Extending internet connectivity to the remotest area remains a challenge due to geographical constraints. To address these challenges and further propel India on the path to a new India, the government must promote digital literacy. Continued efforts in promoting digital literacy, especially in rural areas, are essential. Infrastructure expansion. Invest in expanding digital infrastructure with a focus on last mile connectivity. Cybersecurity measure. Strengthen cybersecurity measure and promote awareness. Data privacy laws. Enact robust data privacy laws to protect citizen data. Digital healthcare and education. Enhance digital healthcare and education infrastructure for a more resilient and inclusive society. Promote innovation. Encourage innovation through incentive and support for startups. Conclusion. In conclusion, Digital India is a monumental initiative that has laid the foundation for a new India powered by digital technologies. It has made remarkable progress, but challenges persist. With concerned effort from the government, private sector, and civil society, we can bridge the digital divide, ensure cybersecurity, and create a more inclusive and prosperous India. As we move forward, it is imperative that we remember the core essence of Digital India to empower every citizen with the tools and opportunities that the digital world offers. This will not only transform our nation but also propel it into a new era of growth, innovation, and prosperity. Thank you for your time and consideration. Together we can shape a digital India for a new India. Yours sincerely, friends. Here you can mention your name. And thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please share it with your friends and like this video. Bye friends.